Let's talk about your stunning WordPress site. It's loading slowly, isn't it? Don't worry. You're about to forget this nightmare. Let me take your site speed from something like this to this. Thank you for checking my Upwork profile. I am Hosam, an SEO specialist. You'll get a gift at the end of this video, so stick around. Alright, I'm pretty sure that you agree with me that a slower loading site means lower organic visibility, which will affect your brand reputation. Increased bounce rate, and now you have lots of angry customers. Not only that, but a slower loading site means higher ad costs, subsequently lower your profit margins. So your brand reputation, number of customers, and profit margins are in great danger, especially after Google's implementation of the Core Web Vitals at the start of 2021. This update must change your mindset about how to measure your site speed. Because it doesn't matter how good your score on Page Speed Insights, or how much does it take to load your site only. Yeah, things are When I work on your site, I apply two things. 1. Technical configurations, which applied site-wide, like these. 2. Optimize your site according to Core Web Vitals. And the end result something like this. So, what are Core Web Vitals? It's a new algorithm update to improve user experience on the web. Core Web Vitals are more focused on how your site's performance communicates with user experience. And the secret in 3 words: loading, interactivity, and visual stability. Along with mobile-friendly, safe browsing, HTTPS, and no intrusive interstitials. The Core Web Vital update consists of 3 things. 1. Loading, or largest contentful paint. In other words, how long it takes for the most meaningful content to load on your site. 2. First input delay. This measures things like, I clicked but nothing happened. Why can't I interact with this page? First input delay is a Core Web Vitals metric that captures a user's first impression of a site's interactivity and responsiveness. 3. Cumulative layout shift. This measures things like, why buttons are moving. Have you ever been about to tap a link or a button, but in the instant before your finger lands, boom, the link moves, and you end up clicking something else? Most of the time these kinds of experiences are just annoying, but in some cases, they can cause real damage. Look at this. Here is your gift, the bulk speed checker tool, which I use for my clients. It's a Google Sheets script that tests multiple URLs for Core Web Vitals. So instead of wasting your time for each URL, it's done for you automatically. You will find a link in the description video to take your copy. Also, you will find a link to an instructional video to turn this script on. This script sorts each Core Web Vital based on scores with 3 colors. Green, which is good, yellow, which needs improvements, and red, which is poor, so it spots your deficiencies very fast. I know I am just starting out on Upwork. I don't have tons of customer testimonials or reviews, but I trust your wisdom to choose the right guy for your site. If you look at other freelancers, you won't see any one of them talking about Web Core Vital updates. So, it's not in your interest, isn't it? What are you waiting for? Contact me, and let's make your site speedy like a light.